Good morning. It's currently about 5:30 a.m. and I do not do well with early mornings. To be honest, I literally get like anxiety over waking up super early and physically sick sometimes. Not a joke. But anyway, Joe's about to come pick me up here in about 15 minutes, so we're going to head a little bit south to Merle's Inlet. There he is now. We have a really cool opportunity to film a fishing charter promo today. And it's going to be the first time I've ever been on a boat in the ocean. So I'm a little bit nervous about it, but also a little bit excited. So I figured I'd try to bring along the camera and document the day, because it's going to be pretty sweet. It should be illegal to be awake before 6 a.m. Just got to wake up a little bit and get to it. Let's go.
What up?
Oh yeah.
Got the early morning jumps on too.
I'm gonna try my best to simultaneously like work and vlog.
Dude, that's gonna be difficult, but I think you can handle it. Tommy. Cool. Sweet. Is you ready to go down?
It's actually my first time I'm ever gonna be on a boat in the ocean.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't get seasick, do you?
I don't think so. I hope not. Well, we're on the boat right now. We got Joe here. And we're getting ready to rock and roll. Well, it's the first time that's ever happened.
Somebody just stared me up between those two things right there.
Well, we survived the drone attack.
Looks so easy to swim, but that shit would wear you.
I don't know.
Oh, little trout.
Oh wow, good looking.
Nice.
That's a pretty big boy right there.
Come on. Yep.
Make sure landing underneath is okay to land. But like in the breeze, so it's hard to land it.
Did it cut you? You alright? Did it cut you?
Yeah.
Not real bad.
Not too bad. It more like hurts my fingertips than anything. Dude, I don't know if I'm flying the drone out here anymore, man.
Doesn't it have like a button that'll sit back down where it started?
Yeah, but we're not where we started whenever I flew it.
You can take off or sure you gotta think about that. It's not stationary.
Yeah. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all I care about.
Hold them sideways. I want to take pictures.
Taking over the camera today, taking over the vlog. Jaylon is no longer in charge. It's all me today.
Nice.
One crazy thing that did happen earlier today was on the way here to Merle's Inlet, we're jamming out to Put On. That song that goes, I put on for my city by Young Jeezy. And I get on this guy's boat. He's like, all right, let's hook up the Bluetooth. So he hooks up his phone, and the first song that instantly plays is Put On by Young Jeezy. And I'm like, there's no way. Dude, I think my phone is playing. He's like, no, it's my phone. And I was like, dude, I have the same song playing on my phone right now. We like instantly became best friends.
That will bite you?
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, those are a pain in the ass.
Joe, that's you if you were a fish.
Yeah, right.
So how'd it go today, Joe?
Good. I thought it went pretty well.
Nice.
We almost broke the drone 2 times. It almost took my head off at one point.
It almost took my finger off at one point.
Do we actually have footage of like me like holding the drone whenever it's going
No,
full blast,
unfortunately
like
not.
100 miles per hour? Because
Unfortunately
that was
not.
scary as hell.
But we do have it cutting my finger up. So what Joe was referring to right there was the fact that I quickly found out flying a drone on a boat is pretty difficult. It's actually the first time I've ever done it. And when you launch a drone, the GPS signal puts a mark wherever you launched it from. But when you're on a moving boat and the boat keeps moving, it can't go back to the home point. So you have to land it manually. And then when you try to land it manually, it hovers and says, you know, make sure that it's safe to land, but the boat keeps moving, so the drone gets confused, and it was very stressful. Plus we were on a boat with fishing poles and 7 grown men. There wasn't really much area to launch or land, which is why at one point I said, Joe, grab it out of the air. So he grabs it, but the drone still thought it was flying, and the propellers would not stop, and I couldn't stop it. I couldn't figure out how to stop it. So he's just holding it like this, and it's like brrr, brrr, and it like started going faster and faster and faster. And he was so stressed out, and I didn't want him to let go and it like jet back in his face. So that's why the second time I was like, I'm not going to make him do that again, so I'm just going to try to catch it. And then we all saw what happened there, but at least I got some good footage while it was in the air. It was a great day, and it's kind of crazy how you can start a day being so nervous about something and with so much anxiety, and by the end of the day you loved it and it was awesome and you would definitely do it again. And that's why I promote doing more things out of your comfort zone, because you just never know what could happen, and there's just so many things out there. There's so much to do, and the more we stay in our little bubbles and routines and stuff, it's just, life's pretty boring. And we just gotta keep pushing ourselves out there to do more things out of our comfort zone, and it ultimately helps us grow as people. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. We have a lot more cool things in store for you, and hit that like button. I appreciate you all. See you in my next video. Peace out.